All right, so now that things are slowly getting back to normal, on Wednesdays, I have a group of kids come in my classroom, and they are peer tutors that work with my students. So if you didn't know, I work with moderate and severe disabilities, and I have a really, really fun and informational activity that I'm doing with them today. So I'm hoping that I can get some little clips and show you guys. So there'll be different stations set up in my classroom to go over the different types of disabilities. And this is actually very eye-opening for students because they actually get to see what my kids, my students, get to go through on a daily basis. So we'll have a station set up for like mobility, vision, hearing. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so the first station that we have set up is a mobility station, and this shows the kiddos what kids in maybe like wheelchairs or that have mobility issues may struggle with. So they have to get their tray, and they have to get in the wheelchair, and they have to go get their fork and their drink and their spoon and things like that. Okay, next one. All right, so the next one is a vision impairment. When students, we may have that are blind or have vision impairments. So they wear these glasses, and they are asked to read what is in this little rectangle here, and it's very difficult. We put like Vaseline on these glasses, and it's hard for them to like see, so that gives them an idea of what students with vision disabilities may have. Dyslexia. A lot of students suffer with dyslexia, or when they're reading things backwards or things appear backwards. So this sentence is written completely backwards, and I asked students to read this, and they really struggled with this. All right, another type of mobility disability that the students suffer with is maybe them not being able to use their hands or their arms. So we show them how difficult it is for them to like use pencils or scissors or any kind of writing utensil. So for like safety reasons, we put like a piece of plastic over the pencil. They had to put it in their mouth and try to write or draw with the pencil only using their mouth because they can't use their hands, that kind of thing. One I thought was quite interesting, and the kiddos did too. These words, as you can see, are colored a different color than what you read it as. So it's kind of hard for your brain to figure out this is actually yellow, blue, orange, and so on. They're colored different colors than what the actual color word is. So that was interesting to see the kiddos do too. Communication disorders or communication disabilities a lot of times happen with students with autism, and so we talked about autism and the characteristics of autism that students face. One of those is communication, and so I mouthed this sentence and they had to figure out what I was saying. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any